Today, I'm going to tell you the real story of a trader, which is the story of every trader, the story of Mike, the trader who fought himself. Mike was not new to the world of numbers. Since his teenage years, he had loved the idea of turning knowledge into opportunity. When he discovered trading, it felt like stepping into a world where his mind could truly be tested. But what he didn't know was that his real opponent was never the market. It was himself. In the first year, Mike was fueled by fire. Every candle on the chart felt like a heartbeat, and every news headline like a whisper of destiny. On good days, he felt invincible, like a genius who had outsmarted millions. But on bad days, he felt like a fool, lost, crushed, questioning why he ever thought he could win here. It took him months to understand something most people never realize. Trading isn't about predicting, it's about enduring. One night after a particularly painful loss, Mike sat by his desk staring at the red numbers glowing on the screen. His pulse throbbed in his ears, and the suffocating silence of his empty room made the loss feel heavier. He whispered to himself, "Why do I keep doing this?" And then a voice inside him replied, "Because you're not trading stocks, you're trading with your own emotions. Winning here means winning over yourself." The next morning, Mike started journaling, not his trades, but his feelings during the trades. He noticed that he entered too early when he was impatient. He held too long when he was greedy. He sold too soon when he was scared. Slowly, he realized the truth. Charts were mirrors, not windows. They didn't just show the market's movement, they reflected his own mind. Months passed and Mike began treating trading differently. He stopped chasing money and started chasing consistency. He learned to close the laptop when his heart was racing. He learned that discipline wasn't just about strategy, it was about self-respect. One day during a market crash, his friend called him in panic. "Bro, everything's falling. What do we do?" Mike, calm for the first time in years, replied, "We do nothing if we don't see opportunity. Sometimes not trading is trading." That was the moment he realized he had transformed. And though his account balance grew slower than he once dreamed, something far greater was earned: peace. He understood what so few do. Trading is not a battle against the market. It is a daily negotiation with human nature, with fear, greed, hope, and stubbornness. Mike's story is every trader's story. Anyone can learn charts, but not everyone can learn themselves. And that's why trading is beautiful, because it teaches the most expensive lesson life can offer. Profit is temporary, but self-mastery is forever.